What's up everybody, it's Joe with J Blake Photo. Today I'm going to do something just a little bit different. We've got this kind of unseasonably warm weekend coming here in Las Vegas. It's been chilly all week, haven't been able to get out on the mountain bike at all. But today I'm going to go out on some trails. But the reason that I want to go out and the reason that I'm going to record it is because I want to try out the new Hero 8 Black. And I want to compare it to the Hero 7 specifically for mountain biking. But before we go out, I got to wash my mountain bike. The bike is clean, and now I've got to make just a few small changes. Okay, always wear your helmet, kids. All right, so I've got the chesty mount for the GoPro right here. Now we're gonna head up to the top of the trail. All right, so we're now on the top of the trail. And what I like about this spot is that there's a trail that goes right down into this little ravine here, and it is really short, maybe a half a mile. So it's repeatable. I'm gonna strap the GoPro to my chest and I'm gonna do this loop twice to get a test of three things. Number one, Hyper Smooth 2.0. Number two, sound quality. Number three is image quality. Let's hit it. So as I'm heading up the hill to get back to the top of the trail, which, by the way, I do not like that trail. All right, so how does the audio sound out of the Hero 7 Black as I'm gasping for air to get up this hill after that very poor showing going down this trail? With the Hero 8 Black coming back up the hill. This is now my third trip up the hill, and I wanted to test out the audio quality. Now, in this instance, I do not have the drone following me, so that noise isn't there. But I think this should still be a pretty good indication of the sound quality on the GoPro Hero 8 Black. Oh, as I continue to have a heart attack coming up this hill. I think after just a little bit of review, it's pretty clear that the video quality is phenomenal. It is substantially better than the 7. Dynamic range is better, dealing with highlights are better, and also just the overall look. Stabilization is great. I love Hyper Smooth 2. I think everything is definitely looking more natural and smooth. As far as the audio is concerned, I'm not seeing a huge difference between the two. I think for a lot of the video that I was taking, both GoPros were in their kind of wind management mode versus the native stereo mode. And honestly, I didn't see a lot of difference, but let me know down in the comments what you thought of the video quality of the Hyper Smooth 2 and also the audio quality. There's only so many days we can get out there, only so many days that you can get out of the office and enjoy wonderful weather. So get out there, fly the drone, strap on the GoPro, take some photos, take some video. Anyway,
I'll see you in the next one.